Hello there, this is Gatsby and I'm back with a new recipe. This is the spring onion stir fried chicken. It is saucy, a bit sweety, but also spicy. Wanna see? Let's hop onto the kitchen so I can show you how I cooked it. First, we're gonna get 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna pound and pound. Gonna crush and crush. Next, we're gonna chop them up finely into tiny little bits. Oh, we're chopping them good. Let's get a medium red onion. Peel off the skin. And then we'll slice them up into strips. And then we're gonna be chopping a bundle of onion leeks or spring onion. We are gonna separate the white parts from the green parts. Now we're gonna season a kilo and a half of thinly sliced breast chicken fillet with 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons of toyo or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of black ground crushed pepper, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch for that thicky sauce. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of sesame oil, and I'm gonna mix and mash. Mix up all those flavors and set it aside. For the sauce, we're gonna mix 4 tablespoons of toyo or soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 8 tablespoons of cooking wine or mirin, half a cup of water, or you can use a full cup if you want it saucy, half a tablespoon of black and white pepper, and mix it up. Now we're gonna stir some ginger and chopped garlic in a heated pan. And in goes the chicken. Let's give it a good mix. cook them up nicely. Now we're gonna put the white parts of the onion leaf. Then mix it up. Put the red onions into the pan. And give it a mix. I'm gonna pour in the sauce mixture. And give it a mix. Now we're gonna put the green parts of the leek and mix it up. Look at that. Alright, let's serve it up in a bowl. Sorry for the noise, it's heavy rain outside. And there you go. Looking good. So time for a taste test. Spooky. Delicious. Mmm. 好吃吗？